BulkOps is an app that we developed internally so we can run our operations in real time, meaning we get data from what's going outside in the office. That allows us to take quicker decisions. We get real-time reports of what's going on. We get alerts. Maintenance immediately gets an alert that says that a crane's down, which crane is it, where is the crane working, and what's the reason. With that, we can give a faster response to the operations team. If there's a weather delay, we can also act immediately. And it's pretty much a tool that helps us control the operation better. It's a tool that also allows us to give feedback and reports to the customer in real time. We can generate statement of facts automatically there. It also gives us a lot of internal reports that we can use for operation. It gives us productivity reports. We get end of the month summaries of crane usage, our dockage. It's a pretty complete app.
Every facet of the maritime industry, with the exception of dry bulk discharge or loading, had some type of computer system or paperless system to generate their work. The bulk side of life was just mired in paperwork. The biggest win of BulkOps is it takes all that paperwork and turns it into a paperless system. That saves time and effort for our supervisors. It's all there on a computer or a tablet. They document it. It's automatically uploaded into the system. We just refresh it and bam, we see the same thing. We've got a pretty fine system.
Cooper Consolidated started using BulkOps a couple of months ago as well. I had the opportunity to be with them and help them get up to speed on what they were doing. Of course, their operation is full midstream, so it's a little bit different.
Running midstream, we're loading, discharging, and we do different types of operations such as scrap metal, bags, blending barges, running 2 barges at the same time. We're getting our barge orders from the customer and we implement that into a stow plan, and then we transfer that stow plan into BulkOps.
For BulkOps, you have a guy that plans. He sets up everything in the ship. He says what cranes are going to work there, what barges are going to work, what's the name of the ship, all the ship details. Once the ship starts, then it goes out to the operations guy that have tablets or their cell phones, and they start recording absolutely everything that happens there. And from there, we get all the information back in the office, and we use it on a management side to generate the reports for the customers, reports for the agents, end of month reports for the business.
The way that we look at utilizing it to make us better is that it's communicating to a group of people that are overseeing the operation. It allows us to make additional changes as a management tool. It's streamlining the operations not only for stevedoring, but for corporate, for accounting, for billing, for the fleeting side of it also. What the customer is seeing from BulkOps is an improvement in timeliness and efficiencies to answer their questions, get their paperwork to them.
The crews are very happy with BulkOps. It has taken a lot of the office phone calls away, meaning instead of us having to call them to ask what's going on, how are they doing, if everything's right, we can go on our computer and get real-time data, and it has definitely made the operating process way more smoother.
I see BulkOps in the future basically streamlining the entire process for stevedoring.
I believe that we'll be running a lot more efficiently and productively by means of this system.
There's a very big and interesting future for BulkOps. It's going to be a clear picture for all of the parties involved, the customer, the agents, the ship. It should continue developing into a tool that has all the operations enrolled into one single app and one single platform.